तेरी मेरी लव स्टोरी में ने ट्रेंगल छे आ देख पापा मम्मी अने मैं
हमारा बच्चा है वो।
पैदा तो मैंने किया ने। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, सेटल डाउन प्लीज, सेटल डाउन। बच्चा पैदा करना बड़ा काम है, हर एक से नहीं होता। मैं हूँ इंडिया की फर्स्ट चाइल्ड मशीन, नो इमोशन, ओनली प्रोफेशन।
आप बच्चों की दुकान चलाते हो।
उम्मीदों की दुकान जसरिन।
अरे करंट लग जाएगा।
करंट तो करंट लगता है क्या?
कल आ जा, जोड़े से मिलवाती हूँ।
पागल हो गई जे? किसी और का बच्चा पैदा करेगी? वो तो टेंशन ही न थी, 3 मिनट में ले जाएंगे। पैदा किया अने दिया। We call it तीर निशाने पे।
हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
वो भाग गई।
जब लगाव ज्यादा होता है ना तो घाव भी ज्यादा होता है।
मोहन लागे जब उसके पेट में था तो बेबी आपका कैसे?
सरोगेसी करवाई थी ना सर।
मोहन लागे मोहन तो से ऐसी कोई सूरत कर दे।
कभी कभी ने मिट्टी जड़ को पकड़ ली थी।
यार शमसे मखमल कर दे या पत्थर की मूरत।
आईना कैसे देखती है तू? सूरमा लगा के।
हम अपना बच्चा बेच नहीं रहे।
खरीदा था तो बेच भी सकते हो ने। अभी सुनी का आपने मेरी कहानी। आओ जो।
क्या करिए क्या करिए? क्या हुआ?
बधाई हो बेन।
अबे क्या बधाई हो?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America, I'm here at the Khan premiere in Mumbai, and you're watching the Monty Khan show with a beautiful, handsome guy standing on my right, Nishant, and the one and only Naira Banerjee. Guys, how excited are you? The Khan is a movie that talks about surrogacy. My question to you guys is, do you think surrogacy is a blessing or a curse? Let's start with the lady.
Sure, I think surrogacy is a blessing because the women who are ambitious and they want to utilize their youth, their energy and time into making a career, building the career for the future, for the kids and themselves, surrogacy is a great option. So why not?
Absolutely. What about you, Nishant?
I believe it's a blessing, of course, because for many parents who want to have a child, for many couples who want to have a child, if they are not able to for any godforsaken reason, surrogacy is one option which can help them be a parent. I think there cannot be anything better than that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Now, this movie, what according to you is the biggest challenge? Because I believe that, this is a norm in Bollywood. If you don't have a Shah Rukh or if you don't have a Salman or not a big A-lister, it's very difficult to draw the audience into a movie theater. What challenge do you think this movie faces?
See, I think any good film will do well. Recently, I saw a film of Kiran Rao's movie. It was such a fab movie.
Correct.
It did not have a big star cast, but the movie was so well celebrated. I think if a film is good, if the story is good, and if it touches the public's heart, the word will spread.
What about you, pal?
I would second that because many examples are there where the films don't have very big stars, but the story and the direction is so good that people are drawn to it. And I totally believe that maybe this kind of a film may not break box office records.
Correct.
But once it's out there, people will have a good word about it. And when it hits the OTT platforms, people will love it. That's what I believe.
I agree with what she has to say. When a movie is about fiction and non-fiction combined, I'm sure you must have seen 12th Fail. When you pick up real life subjects. And I know Siddharth and Garima were planning this for years and years, and they didn't have support, and now finally, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, they made this movie in 38 days, guys. I know you're part of the industry, but creating a 35mm magic in 38 days is phenomenal.
It's really good. And I also feel, I was going to say something. Yeah. No. Damn, I forgot. I was going to say something.
You're saying about Monica, maybe? from you're talking about Siddharth and Garima.
I was going to say something that when you mentioned that 38 days is a very short period of time to make a very good film, it's not. It's enough time. Because absolutely, because people have made better films, bigger films in less times also. So it all depends on the production's efficiency and the director's vision, which is as clear as day. If the director knows what shots he has to take and the story is clear and the actors are good, it takes quite lot less time than other films.
See, I would beg to differ, and not trying to correct you, but the industry is ruled by the deadly alphabet D, which means dates. You know, big stars, they don't have dates. Correct. That is the whole crux of the story.
If they made it in 38 days, it's not a big
Because
deal.
they didn't have big
Yeah,
names.
yeah. And I also
that
want
is
to
why
say,
they could pull
But
it
let
off.
me tell you also, a very big star called Akshay Kumar in India does 6 films a year and he gives 25-30 days to every film and they're like 200 crore films. So, yeah, there's no set rule. That's all I'm going to say. It's very different with different people when teams come together. If a director is quick, his vision is clear, actors are good, things happen quickly also and they happen in a good way. Sometimes there are films that have taken 200 days to be made and they're box office flops.
And they're flops. Guys.
So you never know. There is no set formula. That's all I'm saying.
That's what the industry. Anything you would like to say before
I was
you guys
saying
go?
that as long as the story is relatable and it is emotionally fulfilling, the film will do well.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America, you're watching your favorite show, The Monty Khan Show, on your favorite network, ITV Gold. As I've told you, I'll be back with some really talented people. What better gift can I get than the one and only Milab Zaveri, who makes you laugh, who makes you cry, who makes you smile, a bag of all emotions. Milab, how excited are you for this evening when you're watching Dukhan?
Extremely. I've just finished the first half. It's a wonderful film. Dukhan is very, very powerful, emotional, entertaining. Great job done by Siddharth Garima, by the lead actress Monica. Hats off to Amar Junjunwala sir, Shikha, that they've put their money in a film like this, which has such great content. And I'm very confident people will really enjoy it. And you all must go to the cinemas and you must watch Dukhan. It's very good cinema.
Well, Milap, you're a writer too, besides being a director. And when somebody changes their lines of businesses, as I would say, Siddharth and Garima were writers first. This is their first debut as duo directors. Is that a big challenge, when you move your gears from being a writer to a director?
Yeah, well, I guess every time you try and do something new, it's a challenge. But when a writer writes a film, he kind of visualizes, imagines what the film will be on the big screen. So it's a very natural progression from the pen to the celluloid. And I really wish Siddharth Garima the best of luck. And I'm sure that this baby of theirs, literally speaking, is going to,
pun intended,
is going to really get a lot of credit for them.
Well, I do wish from your words to God's ears, may this happen. It's a big challenge in Mumbai. We live in the US. We don't know, movie theaters are overwhelmed when they have A-listers. You agree? When you have a Shah Rukh, when you have a Salman, when you have a big name, it's easy to bring the audience to the movie theaters. What is this biggest challenge? No big names, just Monica from NSD, and a good subject which people will get to know when they watch it.
Yeah, well, if you notice in the past, even 12th Fail didn't have a very big star cast, but it did very well by word of mouth.
Vidhu Vinod Chopra is a big name.
Yeah, and no, sir, but Vidhu Vinod Chopra, sir's no film had ever worked at the box office till 12th Fail. It's his first legitimate box office hit.
Correct.
So, people didn't go for many films earlier of his, but they went for this. Even this one, they didn't go, but the word of mouth spread and it did well. Similarly, there have been films in the past. There was Kahani. There was Queen, despite having Vidya or Kangna, didn't open very well, but they went on and on and on and on and on and did great business. So my wishes for Dukhan and the team of Dukhan are that when the Dukhan is the shop opens tomorrow, you all go to the theatres.
Absolutely. My question to you, and I know you're a very well-read and educated director, from the new age directors that I've seen, you have a good vision. Is surrogacy a blessing or a curse to mankind?
I think, of course, it's a blessing for those who receive the gift of being parents through this. I don't think there's anything wrong in it. It's a wonderful emotion. And of course, you'd also make the argument that there's so many children out there who you could adopt and give them a home. but you know, it's a personal choice, and I think every person has a right to decide what they want.
And commercial exploitation, that's what this movie talks about. And that's the reason why in 2021, surrogacy was banned. So I think that is the darker side. Like, you know, you have the dark side of the moon, the same way.
And in every step, every walk of life, there is the good and the bad. You have to just embrace the good as much as you can.
All right, you're supporting Mr. Junjunwala. Do you want to share the good news about Masti 4? What's happening, buddy? Because I just spoke to Vivek, you know, and
yeah, we're excited about Masti
Get us
4.
excited.
Yeah, we're excited about Masti 4. Ritesh, Vivek, Aftab, all three return again.
Awesome,
And
awesome,
it's,
man.
you know, Inder Kumar sir, Ashok Thagaria sir, Amar Junjunwala sir, Shikha. All of us are very charged, and the film goes on floors this year. And I can promise you all a lot of entertainment and a lot of masti.
And please bring John Abraham in a cameo because I know you love him. You can't be without him. But all the best, Milab.
Thank you
Such
so
a
much.
pleasure, brother.
Thank you.
Guys, that is the one and only Milab Zaveri, a very talented writer and even a more beautiful director. Keep watching the Monty Khan Show. I'll be back with the more cast and crew and the audiences who watch Dukaan. Dukaan kal khul rahi hai. Ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America watching us from Florida to Alaska, this is your host Monty, and I'm in Mumbai at the premiere of Dukaan. What a movie, what a story, and what better can it be to be with one of the best directors, one of the best directors Bollywood has ever seen, our one and only Inder Kumar sir. So first of all, thank you so much for joining us on our network. It's a pleasure and honor. From Beta to Raja to Masti, Grand Masti, Dhamal, Total Dhamal. So you made us laugh, you made us cry, you've given us all the emotions, the entire spectrum of emotions. You know, I'm so overwhelmed, first of all, because I'm your huge fan. You know, guys, I have to admit, I can't be you know, I don't know if you've seen a bigger fan than me, but sir, I love you, and I'm saying it on camera. But let's come back to Dukaan.
Dukaan, yes.
How was those 120 minutes that you sat inside?
It was like an experience. What happened? The film takes you on a ride and you go with the film. And in the last scene, I never realized that I had tears in my eyes. That is wonderful.
That is wonderful.
Because the film completely absorbs you and completely takes you in and makes you part of that picture.
Correct.
This picture has that quality and that hold.
That you get.
That emotional hold.
Okay, you don't realize how that
Yes.
2 hours
Yeah,
flies
went
by.
And by the end of it, I'm telling you, I cried in the end.
That is huge. That is huge.
Yes. So, and I saw some ladies in front of me. When the film got over, they're talking
They
to
were-
each other.
they were wiping
and
their
they're
tears.
wiping their tears. The end was very sentimental. So, मुझे भी जल्दी
आपको
रोना
भी-
आ जाता है.
अच्छा।
तो हाँ, तो मैं
हंसना भी जल्दी आता है
जल्दी
और रोना भी
चाहिए.
जल्दी आता है, लेकिन आपने लोगों को ज़्यादा हंसाया ही
हाँ,
है.
ऐसा है.
बट सर, यू नो, ये ट्रेंड होता है और आप इस ट्रेंड से अग्री करोगे दैट, यू नो, व्हेन यू मेकिंग अ फिल्म, you know, whether it be studios, whether it be the audience, they all want big stars, they all want big names. कि शाहरुख, आमिर, सलमान, you know, तो
पर
हम
अभी
जाएंगे.
ऐसा नहीं है ना. अभी देखो 12th फेल.
करेक्ट.
विक्रांत मासी के साथ इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई ना.
करेक्ट.
इतनी सी फिल्म है, इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई.
Based on true life movie.
सो अच्छी फिल्म है तो चलेगी. आपको स्टार कास्ट की जरूरत नहीं है. आज की डेट में ये बार बार प्रूव हो रहा है. और बड़े स्टार्स की फिल्में कितनी बार पिट भी रही है.
डंकी पिट गई.
फिल्में,
अब देखो, अब डंकी पिट गई.
हाँ, वो मतलब बदकिस्मती की बात है. मेरा बहुत अच्छे मित्र है
हिरानी साहब.
आमिर भी और हीरानी भी. और मतलब शाहरुख भी. बट अब क्या करें.
That's true.
लेकिन वो कहानी में कभी कभी हमको धोखा हम भी खा जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और
बिल्कुल.
कहीं मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो पिक्चर लोगों को समझ नहीं आती.
कोई
चलो एनीवेज, ये तो पार्ट ऑफ ये है. बट दुकान फिल्म इज वर्थ वॉचिंग वंस डेफिनेटली.
सर, ये एक फैमिली एंटरटेनर है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये है कि सर, इट्स बेस्ड ऑन अ ट्रू स्टोरी एंड दे वेंट टू द एक्चुअल लोकेशंस. और सिद्धार्थ और गरिमा से मैंने बात करी है तो उन्होंने ये स्टोरी बहुत सालों से सोची हुई थी.
हाँ, और वो लग रहा है, जो दिखाई दे रहा है, बहुत रिसर्च हैज गॉन इनटू इट. एंड आई लव देयर. आई कांट बिलीव इट इज देयर फर्स्ट फिल्म.
Wow. This is the biggest compliment that a director, a writer can get in their lives. that a legend like Inder Kumar sir says he can't believe it's their first film. Sir, इससे बड़ी compliment. I think अगर उनको जब मैं ये clip भेजूँगा, they will be touched. Their souls will be happy.
They should be, because when you like something, you have to inhibitably praise it. Why not?
That is the mark of a leader like you, sir.
Of course, I'm not a leader. I'm one of the followers, but
no, sir.
I just do my job, and what I feel is right. I say.
Your films are cult films. एक होती ना, एक फिल्म देखी, घर पे आए और भूल गए और दूसरे दिन काम पे चले गए. एक फिल्म देखी, उसको 10 साल 20 साल तक याद रखा. So that is
वो टीम वर्क है. वो डायरेक्टर अकेला नहीं कर सकता, because it's a team work where everybody has contributed so well to the
final
dialogue, the story, the music, everything. Director can't do alone. Editing. So there are so many aspects involved. So it is a teamwork.
Absolutely, sir.
So that teamwork, I always got good team, good people who got connected to my film, and God is kind.
God has been kind. And sir, last but not least, Monica, who plays Jasmine. क्या बोलेंगे sir?
Jasmine is outstanding.
Really?
She has done a splendid job.
Absolutely.
She is also a new actor.
New, it's a brand new face.
Rank new. I have never seen her, but such confidence. My God, too good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your feedback. And I feel that, whatever you said right now, being a creative person, you said it from your soul. It's not made up. It's something that you have felt.
What
it's
I
something.
Felt, otherwise I would have ran away.
You would have ran away. Correct. Interval में ही आप भाग जाते. कोई फिल्म आपको किसी तरीके से connect करिए. So before you go, Masti 4, bringing smiles again. मुझे तो वो फोटो देख के हंसी आई थी.
मस्ती 4 तो मिलाप डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
मैं प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ. और
अमर जी.
धमाल 4 भी मैं बना रहा हूँ, जो मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
जो आप डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या बात है, ladies and gentlemen.
Ajay Devgan again.
Dhamal 4, guys, the man, the biggest gift to Bollywood, Inder Kumar sir is with us. And sir, हमारी US की जनता, आप US कब आएंगे? वहाँ भी कुछ करिए, कुछ बनाइए, कुछ produce, shoot something, people,
Yeah, I would love to come there. I've come there 3-4 times.
Okay.
At different places, but I'll come again and wish all of you good luck. God bless you, and God be with you all. Always.
Thank you, guys.
Love you all. Love you guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Can't get better. The one and only Inder Kumar sir talking to us on ITV Gold. Keep watching the Monty Khan Show. Dukaan khul gayi hai. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Janta is the king. Audience is the king, and this time it's time to be with the queen. Well, let's put our hands together for Shushweta. Shushweta, if I got the name right. Shushweta, your take on the film. Be very honest, क्योंकि जनता से झूठ नहीं बोलते.
My God, the film is worth a watch. I think जो strong topic बताया इस movie में, and we've got such great actors, wonderful direction by Siddharth Garima. I think सबको दुनिया में जितने भी लोगों ने पता है ये movie आ रही है, सबको देखनी चाहिए.
There you go. दिल से बोला है. So, your topic of surrogacy is a very delicate topic. Yes. You think it's a blessing or a curse?
It's a blessing. A woman's womb can never be a curse, right? Whoever is against surrogacy, this movie proves that it is our wish, it is our womb. हमें जिसको देना है हम देंगे. Obviously, medically, it's been proven that it's okay. It can never be a curse. A woman is God herself, and we should respect whatever their decision is.
Absolutely, and it should not be exploited commercially.
Exactly.
So that's the whole thing. It should be used for a good intent and for a good purpose. Absolutely. And to help a family that is in need. Correct?
Yes, absolutely.
There you go. Dukaan chalegi bhaiya. Thank you, sir.
5 star. Thank you so much.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, Shweta. Such a pleasure. Alright guys, audience is the king, and now I have Kabir with me who's going to tell us how did he like the movie. Kabir, be very honest, जनता को झूठ नहीं बोलते. Give me your take on the film.
सर मूवी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी और इसका जो कंटेंट है बहुत अच्छा. आई थिंक ये मूवी सबको देखनी चाहिए. मूवी का कंटेंट एंड लाइक रिव्यू एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी नाइस मूवी.
आप लोगों को बोलोगे मूवी थिएटर में जाके मूवी देखना चाहिए या घर पे बैठ के लैपटॉप पे?
आई थिंक सबको आना चाहिए थिएटर में, और ये थिएटर में मूवी देखने में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा और बहुत बेस्ट है. एंड actually my name is Kabir, and currently I'm doing serial on Star Plus, गुम है किसी के प्यार में.
Wow,
and my upcoming web series on Amazon Prime.
Excellent,
So
man. I have an actor
it's-
who's talking about Dukaan.
It's
so
releasing on June.
June
So,
को release हो रही है
yeah.
Amazon Prime पे series, and he's also an actor on Star Plus.
Yeah.
Wish you all the very best, guys. Go and watch Dukaan. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys. As I said, audience is the king. I have another guy who's watched the movie. His name is Sameer Khan. Sameer bhai, how did you like the film? A quick take on it.
Yeah, first of all, hey guys, my name is Sameer Khan, and you are watching me currently on Star Plus, Gume Kichi Ke Pyar Mein, as Ayush. So yeah, I talk about this movie, Dukaan. I love this movie. I love the concept, and I really enjoyed watching this movie. Amazing job.
So you would want people to go to a movie theater and watch this film?
Of course, go to watch this movie, guys. It's worth watching, and this movie gives a fantastic message. And I suggest you, it's time saving, and it's worth watching.
All right, guys. So the verdict is Dukaan gets a 5-star, good film, a good product. Do go to movie theaters and watch Dukaan. Thank you so much, buddy. All right, guys. I'm with the senior journalist Chaitanya Padukone. Chaitanya ji, you have to keep it very quick, and you have to give me your verdict. Is Dukaan a hit or a flop?
Dukaan is bound to be a huge hit because everyone, including me, we have connected with the film emotionally, and we were almost in tears during the climax. And the best part is there is a very huge mega star who's put in a guest appearance, and the performances are very authentic and realistic, especially Monica Panwar, who will definitely be considered for the Best Actress Award in 2025. And I would recommend this movie to families, pregnant women, and everybody who loves to watch women-centric films. Dukaan is a must-watch for audiences who love female-centric and feminine characters which steal the show.
Thank you so much, sir. You have given us a very valuable feedback. We appreciate it. And जैसे मैंने कहा, audience.
Honor connecting with ITV Gold.
Absolutely, sir. And audiences have said it together. सबने मिलके कहा. Even a great journalist says Dukaan is a hit. So go and watch Dukaan. All right, guys. As I said, we'll be back with some people who watched the film, and what better can it be to interview Surat Singh Mas, who's a very, very well-known casting director in India and Mumbai. So, Surat ji, tell me something. आपको ये फिल्म कैसी लगी, भाई? इसको आप कितनी रेटिंग देंगे?
बेसिकली फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगी, और ये फिल्म मैंने एज अ मार्केटिंग भी किया हुआ है हमारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस से, तो बहुत प्यारा ही है। हम 5 में से 5 देना चाहेंगे, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि जो पब्लिसिटी है, जो पब्लिक है, वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग देखे। उसको जनता इज़ अ किंग, तो जनता अपने हिसाब से देखे और अपने हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग देखे कि क्या बेस्ट है, क्या सही है, क्या नहीं है सही है, वो देखिए।
आपके हिसाब से कास्टिंग कैसी रही इस फिल्म के?
कास्टिंग ऑसम रही है। आप जब फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कास्टिंग कितनी प्यारी है इसमें। हमने कास्टिंग का जो पार्ट था ऐसे चुना कि एक जो होता ना पर्टिकुलर जो कास्टिंग की जाती वो हमने की हुई है इसकी। जी बिल्कुल हम लोग को वर्कआउट किया हुआ है, और बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है। हम तो चाहेंगे जनता आ जाए, देखे, और देख के फिर वो रिव्यू दे, फिर आपको रिव्यू करें हमें। ठीक है,
सूरज जी, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड हम आपने मार्केटिंग की, यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म। हम पूरी टीम के लिए बधाई करेंगे कि ये फिल्म आपकी बहुत बड़ी हिट हो।
थैंक यू सर,
थैंक यू सो मच।